Hello, my name is Jorge Javier Velázquez González, and my team is conformed by Lourdes Alicia León Terán and Nancy Camille Rufino Lopez. And we are going to talk about conservation of energy. And to prove this, we are going to show you an experiment.
Mechanical energy is energy that can be used to do work. This energy is defined as the sum of kinetic and potential energy. An example is an elevator, a car, or a hammer in motion. Kinetic energy is defined as the energy of mass in motion. Basically, it is a form of energy that an object or a particle has by reason of its motion. Potential energy is the energy stored due to the configuration or position of an object. There are two types. Number one, elastic potential energy, and the other one is gravitational potential energy.
We say that a force is conservative when the work it does on a body depends only on the initial and final points and not on the path followed to get from one to the other. So, the work done by the conservative forces along a closed path is zero. When we move a body overcoming and opposing conservative force, the work done increases and the body's potential energy too. Conservative forces conserve the mechanical energy of the system, for example, the gravitational force. A non-conservative force is one for which work depends on the path taken. Non-conservative forces, such as friction that depends on the other factors, such as velocity, are dissipate and no potential energy can be defined for them.
This is a really simple experiment, but one of the easiest one for explain and to show the change and the conservation of energy, because we have the ball into 2.7 meters, and we think that the velocity one it's going to be greatest than the second one when the ball reach the 1.8 meters. Here we have the final calculations of our experiment, and we have the results that all we think it was correct. The first velocity is greatest than the last one because energy is transferred but is not always the same potential. In conclusion, we see that energy is always transform or transfer, but never it's going to be destroyed or created.